So, how was the party last night?
It was good. I just need a break, after all that pop I had. What the? Who's knocking? I'll get it, mate. I'll get it. Let's just see who it was. Hello? Who's there? Hey, Leland, we have a bit of, friends over here. Sure, they can come in, whatever happened. Come in, really, we're hospitable. So, what seems to be the problem? I just found them, and they said they need my help. Don't know what for, but I'm willing to help them. You guys sound desperate, what do you need? Well, we were hanging out with Sally and her friend, but, bad news is, something happened. These lemons came out of nowhere and she got kidnapped. Sally's sister? Yeah, unfortunately. Well, this is disturbing. I'm sure we'd be able to help if we could. Actually, I think we can. What was her name? Her name is Nikki Carrera. I'm sure she'll be going to wherever the lemon's base is. Frick. The oil rig. Blast those lemons. I got a plan. Mark, Ryan, you guys go to the lemon's base and try to save her on your own. Meanwhile, we'll just get other Chrome agents and come eventually. We'll meet you there. Stay out of trouble, guys. This is no joke. Don't you worry, Chip and Dud. We'll get her back sooner than later. You can count on the both of us and the rest of our Chrome agents. Oh, thank you, my heroes. Took me all week to get that door up. Finally, we made it here. It's about time. Just, where are we gonna find her? She's somewhere around here. I just suggest that we get the rest of our Chrome agents to get here, hide out, and when they come, we'll jump the lemons by surprise, capture Professor Z, and get the intel on where she is. How? Just how? Like, let's just try and find her and see what happens. Okay? Alright guys, the other Chrome agents are on the other boats. You know what to do. We know the plan, McMissile. Here come a couple of them now, and I think we know just who they are. Well. If it isn't the biggest jerks of our lives. Hey Lemons, I got a question for you. Oh really? What is it? Oh, no.
Oh, hell no!
Knock, knock. Huh? Oh, hello.
You're supposed to ask who's there.
Oh, well, who's there then? The lemon who's about to hit you on the head.
Wait, what?
No!
Wait, what?
No! Ah, frick. Boom! Shakalaka, baby. What's happening to my lemons? It's over, Professor. Now where is Nikki?
You really need to stop doing this to yourself. Seriously, man. This has been going on for 12 years and you still have not stopped.
Come on, she's gotta be around here somewhere.
I think we'll find her eventually, Rod. Oh wait, I think we just found her.
Where is she, Professor?
Tell us now.
It's alright, guys. Rod and Holley already found me. I'm safe now. Thanks for the help, Chrome Agents. I really appreciate it. I don't know how I can ever repay you, but thanks.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. We like helping people. And as for you, Professor, you're going behind bars for a long time, and we'll make sure of it this time.
That's it. I'm retiring!
Thanks for saving my sister, guys. I really appreciate it. Aw, man, what a happy ending. Boy, it sure is, ain't it? I'd be willing to repay you guys if you wanted. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sleepy.
Same.
Miss Kara, I'm sure we'd rather have nothing more than a sweet night's stay at your motel. Of course, you guys are too sweet. Right this way, everyone. The motels are waiting for you.